Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I have another unboxing for you guys. This time I'm going to be unboxing a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and this is going to be the first Android tablet that I'm going to be unboxing on this channel. So I recently decided on purchasing the Tab S6 Lite. I just wanted to check it out, what it's like, and also I'm just waiting on the Tab S7 Lite if they do have one. So before the Tab S7 Lite does release, if they do release one like that, I just wanted to go ahead and see what Samsung's understanding of a budget tablet is. And this tablet right here is around $350. I have the 64GB variant. It's okay. I don't download too many things on my iPad or tablets, so generally 64GB is enough. It's okay. Maybe not the best, however, it's still enough, as I said. It has the Exynos 9611, I believe, and it has a 10.4-inch screen. The resolution would be 2000 by 1200, so not the best. However, it's still a nice and vibrant screen. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. We can see some of the things right here. If you're able to see, it says package contains Tab S6 Lite, 10.4-inch, S Pen, the charger, quick start guide, and whatnot. So it does come with the S Pen, which is really nice. Hopefully, I hope Apple does this as well. They start like giving out, I guess not giving out, but including their pens with them, because as you guys might know, if you buy an iPad Pro, you're definitely going to go ahead and buy that pen, because why not? If you bought the iPad Pro already, you're going to do that. And it's really nice that Samsung includes their pencils with their tablets. So let's go ahead and cut the stickers real quick. Let me just cut them. 1 second. Okay, so we have those cut. And let us pull this out. Boom. So nothing on this side, on the top side of the box. So we can just put that to the side real quick. We're greeted by the tablet right away. As you can see, it's in like this mesh cloth thing. It has a Samsung logo. Let's just pull that out real quick. Pretty nice size. Some nice weight to it. Not the heaviest, but it's still pretty nice. Let's put that. Now let's check out what's inside this box. So let's pull this out first. And let us see what's inside. So SIM ejection tool if you do buy the LT variant, I guess. Quick start guide, whatnot. So we don't need those. We can just put that to the side real quick. We have our chargers. So the thing is, I wish Samsung had faster charger on this tablet. So we're having some focusing issues. Okay, so I wish Samsung had faster charging on this tablet rather than the 15 watt. However, that's still nice. It has around a 7,000 milliamp hour battery, so it will take a little while to charge up. But as I said, that's probably going to last a long time. We have our normal USB-A to USB-C charger that's included with basically all your Samsung devices. So all the general stuff that you'd expect coming out of this. No headphones, I believe. Yeah, nothing in there. Pretty sure there's nothing in here either. Yeah, there's nothing in there. We have the S Pen. Almost forgot about that. So we have our S Pen right here. I believe this does not work with Bluetooth. It's a different connection that it has with the tablet. It's not Bluetooth, so you don't need batteries, I'm pretty sure. You're still able to use it without batteries, so it is different compared to the one in the Tab S6 or the Tab S7. It feels pretty nice. It has the shape of a pencil, which is really nice. It has this flat bottom, but you don't feel it too much. Not really heavy. However, I think I'm going to have a nice time holding this. It's pretty comfy. It's like a normal pencil, so you're going to get used to it right away. So now that we have all the accessories out of the way, let's go ahead and check out the main product of the day. The Tab S6 Lite. So let's take it out of its sleeve. If I know how to take it out. Okay, so I guess we're gonna pull from here. Let's just get that off real quick. Okay, so we're greeted with the tablet. It has an aluminum build. It looks real nice, feels real nice. I have this, it's a black or space gray, I guess. We have some logos back here, sound by AKG. Samsung logo, obviously. We have our one camera. The Camera is okay. I believe it's a 12 megapixel or 8 megapixel, but what you expect, you get a tablet. Camera is not the main point. We do have a front-facing camera, but this time it is located on the side. So when you hold it portrait mode, it's better. But I believe tablets, they're better when you use them in landscape. However, as you guys might notice, this has a pretty weird aspect ratio. It's more like a book or something that you can read on. It's better to read on when compared to iPads. As you guys might know, Samsung tablets, they're narrower, but they're taller, which just gives it's a better tablet for media consumption. Let me just say that real quick. So overall, it feels really nice. As I said, this tablet, for the price, it's real good. There's some stickers on here, so let's just check out the buttons and whatnot around it. Real quick, on the right side, we have our power button, volume rocker, if it focuses. We have our SIM ejection, SIM tray, SIM slot, if it focuses. For some reason, it's not. Okay, whatever, so you can kind of make it out. Nothing on this side right here. And the back just has the logos. And we're greeted with this beautiful 10.4 inch screen. So minimal bezels, they're not really thick. If you guys have seen the iPad Air 6, iPad Air 4, let me not say 6, I believe it's the 4th generation. If you guys have seen it, it looks very similar to this with the design. So that could be a comparison for this tablet until a Tab S7 Lite releases, if they do release one, as I said. So let me go ahead and just turn this on real quick. Okay, Samsung Tab S6 Lite. This will be my first Exynos device from Samsung. Since I live in North America, I do get the Snapdragon variants. However, this tablet does have an Exynos chipset. So I've heard many things about it. You guys might already know how the Exynos chipset is worse. Since I haven't tested it out personally, I'm not sure what the big thing is, but I'll probably understand once I use this tablet. So that's kind of a disappointment. I wish Samsung just, let me just turn that off real quick. So we're greeted with their setup area, and that's about it, guys. I'll probably get back to you guys with another video talking about my thoughts on this tablet. I'm going to be using this for around a day or two, and then I guess give you guys my thoughts. So that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications, because I will continue posting videos about this device. If you are interested about this device, you'll definitely want to check out the next videos that I will be posting. I'll be making comparisons, and also if you guys have any other ideas for videos with this tablet, go ahead and drop a comment below, and I'll definitely make sure to check it out. So that's about it. See you in the next video, and have a great day.